Hello everyone, welcome back to this tutorial, and this is tutorial number 3 I believe. And in this tutorial we're going to learn how to resize our canvas, and we're going to set up or choose the colors that we want to use and put them as a scheme. So let's get started. So before we actually do that, I want to show you guys probably when you install Photoshop for the first time, you're probably gonna have it in inches. So if you want to change that, go to Files and go to Edit, go to Preference and go to General, and then you would go to Units and Ruler and make sure that it's in pixel, not inches, because if it's in inches you're probably gonna get a little bit confused, and if you prefer inches, that's fine, but most people would use pixels. And then press OK. And also, if you don't have the ruler, which is above right there, you can also go to View and just click on the ruler part, or just press Ctrl R and it will disappear or appear. Alright, so let's actually do what we came for, which is resizing the canvas, which is right here. You can do that using actually two ways. You can either press Alt Control C, or go to Image and press Canvas Size. So I'll press on Canvas Size, and then the pixels will appear in here, and we'll change the anchor. So we'll make the anchor like this, and then we'll change the width to 1600, and we'll make that pixel, and then the height will be 2800, and then we'll press OK. So as you see, things got a little bit bigger, and the reason we did that, we want our website to be in the middle. We don't want it to be to the left or right, so we want some space from the right and left. And if we check this website, my website, and if I press a little bit, zoom out, see, when things are in the middle, it seems kind of nicer. And also, if you check it on a mobile device, it would actually be nicer to have it in the middle instead of left or right. So that's why we do that. Alright, let's go back to this. So first thing, we want to actually choose the colors that we want to use, and we're going to create a group to keep those colors in a folder. And so when we want to use those colors, we don't have to try to remember, oh, what color did I choose, what's the code for that color, and stuff like that. So let's actually use go all the way to the left. Right there you will see a rectangle. If you right click, you can actually change the type of rectangle you want to use, but we will actually use the regular rectangle, and I'll make just a simple rectangle right like that. I'll press on the image right there, I'll double click on it, and then based on the color that you want to use, you can build your website. So if you want to use red, you can use pink. You want your website to be pink, green, depending on how you like it. So let's actually use a little reddish orange maybe, or let's do something like that maybe, or maybe yeah, I think that should be good. Would that look ugly? Nah, it doesn't matter. Let's do that. So D34E33. So press OK, and then nothing will happen, right? Probably it might happen and yours, it will color it, but if it doesn't, you go to fill right there and just make sure you press on this, on the black color right here, and then right there you go. And I'm gonna call this click it twice, and I'm gonna call it orange. So this is orange, and then I'm gonna create another one. So to have the same size, I'll just right click on my color, I'll say duplicate layer, and then I'm gonna call this let's do this one to be black, because I want to do a black color. So a mix of black, I'm gonna do a mix of orange, black, and gray. So black, and then if I press shift, and then actually no, you have to press on this first, which allow you to move, or you just press V. So either you press V or you press that, and then you press shift, right. I'm still pressing on my shift button, and I'm pressing on the right arrow. Alright, now I will move my hand from the shift arrow, and I'm just moving with the arrows. Alright, right next to it like that. Alright, and then I'm going to press on the color thumbnail twice, and then now I can change it to a blackish color. So let's press OK. So 2211A118. That's going to be the code for our color. Press OK. I'll do the same thing and duplicate the layer, and I'll pick silver, and I'll press OK, and then I will do the same thing. I'll move it to the right like this. Okay, and I will also press on the thumbnail, and I'm gonna actually pick a color that I actually like, which is a silverish color. It's E5, 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 and then press OK. And that would be it for those are the colors that we're going to use. So let's actually group them together, and I'll move them to the side of the screen. I'll put them in a group, so you can press on this right here, create new group, and then I'm going to call it scheme, and then select them, and I'll just move them in here. So now they're actually inside of that folder, and anytime I want to pick those colors, all I have to do, just click on them twice and just copy that like that, and that will make your life way easier later on, because if you have to remember those colors or put it on a note, it's gonna be really rough. So keep it like that, and if you ever want to hide it, just press like that, and then you can start doing whatever you would like. And that's it for this tutorial. We learned how to set up our grid, or actually resize our canvas, and create our scheme colors so we can use them later. So in the next tutorial, we're probably going to learn how to create this box. Probably, yeah, let's do this box in the next tutorial, and we'll see what we're going to do after that. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much, and enjoy the rest of your day.